I've been cheering for Warriors, and I'm your varsity captain. I'm excited to announce that we have 27 new cheerleaders and 2 amazing new coaches, and I'm so excited that we get to spend a full season without any restrictions. These 2 amazing coaches are going to send us to the next level, and we're so excited. Thank you, Sierra Super, so much.
Hi, I'm Ava Chavarria. I am class of 24 and I've been cheering here at Arroyo for 3 years. I just wanted to say thank you to Sierra Subaru for giving us this amazing opportunity to help fundraise for our cheer team this year. We've had some difficult times in the past, but we're super thankful to have this opportunity and we can't be any more grateful. So really, really thank you, Sierra Subaru. We really appreciate it.
Hi, my name is Vinay Guzman and I am the co-captain for Arroyo High School Cheer. This is my 4th year cheering at Arroyo High School. We are excited for our new coaches to be taking us to the CIF level to compete. Thank you, Sierra Subaru.